Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming your hardware meets Windows 11 minimums and securing your data. First, verify 64-bit CPU, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB drive, TPM2. 0 and secure boot, these are required. Next, backup files to an external drive or cloud and optionally create a full system image so you can restore if needed. Once done, download the Windows 11 Media Creation Tool, or ISO, and prepare an 8 GB or larger USB installer to start the upgrade process. Now run the installer either by booting from the USB or launching setup. EXE from inside Windows 7, booting ensures a clean environment, while in-place setup preserves files. Choose whether to keep personal files and apps or perform a fresh install. Keep in mind, a fresh install eradicates programs and settings. Proceed through language and region prompts, supply a product key, or select digital license, and monitor driver compatibility warnings so you can pause and install correct drivers before continuing. Finish the upgrade by completing out-of-box setup. Sign in with a Microsoft account or create a local account, tune privacy options, and let Windows complete updates. Immediately run Windows Update and install manufacturer drivers. Check Device Manager for unknown hardware and resolve it. If something goes wrong, stay calm. Use your recovery USB or restore the system image, consult the error code on screen, and consider BIOS or TPM firmware updates before retrying. That single troubleshooting tip often clears upgrade blocking hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.